All right, leaders, all of you are on here because you are leading. So as a leader, you influence and inspire, right? Yep. We help people see what is in reach. Here's the thing, as a leader, you also do. You see possibilities where others don't. And that's really important as a leader. You've got to be able to see things that the team hasn't seen yet so that you can start to open their mind map up and see what's possible. And you create environments where other people want to follow. That's really your job, right? Like, we could go through your job description, we could talk about results and all of those things, but really these are the things that you're doing that actually makes an impact. An impact is super important. And so as a leader, do you ever wake up in the morning and wonder if it's even possible? Can I get my team behind this? I have this vision, but is the team going to buy in? Is the team capable? Like, how do I figure this all out? If you've ever woke up in the middle of the night or early in the morning and thought, how do I figure this all out? And had that, then drop a yes. I've been there in the comments, because I know you have. So there better be a ton of yeses in there, because if you've never felt that way, I don't know if you're human or not. So absolutely do. Yes. Oh yeah. Good. Yeah. We've all had that. Like, how do we have this idea, right? And then we have this idea and we think what's possible, but then we go, ooh, what is our team going to think? And so then we shrink back down to fit into our team. That doesn't always get us to where we're going. What if we thought that big idea, we got uncomfortable with the fear, and then we helped our team get uncomfortable with the fear so they expanded with us instead of us contracting down into our own fear around our team? That would be powerful. But whenever I teach leadership to new management, oh, very good. Yeah, you start to feel this way. Because it's overwhelming to think, how do I change a group full of people? Believe me, I try to do it every day of my life. I get that. And so I want to take you back to our first session and talk about how do we create innovation. And there were 6 things I gave you in that first session. It was embracing imperfections, never become a master, get curious, manage your thoughts, always ask yourself what could go right, ask yourself what else could be true. And, when we did our recap in session 2, you guys gave me kind of a number, that whichever number of these you were really working on. And I've been talking to several of you via email or LinkedIn or just over the phone or text, and you guys have been telling me, which one of these really rang true to you. But what I find is what rings true to you, and instantly there's another one that sneaks up behind you. So if one of these snuck up behind you after the first session, let us know which one it was. Just drop a number. When you thought, maybe I really need to work on managing my thoughts, but then you thought, oh no, I need to get curious. So 6 and 4. So managing thoughts, 4, 5 with a big explanation. Bill, 5. Yeah, fantastic. Hi, Bill. It's good to have you here today. Elizabeth, 6, fantastic. Elizabeth, I hope you have a whole room of all of your executives with you. Everyone is hopefully enjoying the training today. So I want you to remember how impactful this was to you as a leader, right? All of you guys were sending me messages saying this really changed. Now, what I want you to think about is how to create innovation with your team by using this with your team, right? Helping them start to see it. And I'm going to give you some clever ways to do it, because it's not always works if it's right on the surface. You can't say to someone who's having a bad day and upset, you should just think different, because that's directive. And we learned last Friday, it doesn't work. So we have to think about our conversations.